Hello friends, welcome to jQuery tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see the selector of jQuery. jQuery selectors are one of the most important parts of the jQuery library. jQuery selectors allow you to select and manipulate HTML elements. With jQuery selector, you can find elements based on their ID, classes, types, attributes, values of attributes, and much more. It's based on the existing CSS selectors, and in addition, it has some own custom selectors. All types of selectors in jQuery start with $sign and parentheses like this. First, the element selector. The jQuery element selector selects elements based on their tag names. Like if you want to select all paragraph elements, you can write like this. Dollar into parentheses, you can write P into double quote. Then ID selector. The jQuery ID selector uses the ID attribute of an HTML tag to find the specific element. An ID should be unique within a page, so you should use the ID selector when you want to find a single unique element. To find an element with a specific ID, write a hash character followed by the ID of the element, like this, hash and name of ID. Then class selector. The jQuery class selector finds elements with a specific class. To find elements with a specific class, write a periodic character followed by the name of the class, like this, dot and then name of the class. Here there are other more examples of jQuery selectors. Here this is the syntax for select all elements on the page. Then this selector for the current HTML element. Then p.intro, it means here tag HTML element is p tag, paragraph tag, and dot intro is the name of class. So select all p element with class is equal to intro. P, then p colon first, it means select the first p element. ULLI first, select the first li element of the first UL element. You can also select the element by using attribute like this. You can write the name of attribute inside the bracket. Select all elements with href attribute. Then you can write like this, a target. Here A is the tag and then target is the attribute and blank is the value of this attribute. So it selects all A elements with a target attributes is equal to value is blank. Let's see example for this selector. Here this is the paragraph tag and this is h2 tag. Whenever click on this button, the paragraph will disappear. Let's see the output first. Okay, so paragraph is disappeared. Now let's change it here. ID is equal to 1 and let's hide only this thing #1. Control S for save. Refresh the browser. Okay, so it hides only one paragraph and let's make it class here. P class is equal to 2. Control S and dot to save the program, and let's refresh the browser. Now click this button. Okay, so that paragraph is hidden, which contains the class is equal to 2, and this operator. So whenever we will click on this button here, this button will be disappear. And let's see the output. Refresh the browser and click on the button. So button is disappeared. So these are the examples for the selectors. We can use it with ID or class or this, or we can use like this star for all the elements, and refresh browser. Okay, so all the elements are disappeared.